Hello everyone. In this today video, we will going to solve Medical Surgical Nursing 2 question paper. Question 1. Question 1 is for total 12 mark. So first question, it is define and analyze types of otitis media. So otitis media, it is a disease condition from the ear. So it is a middle ear disease condition, otitis media. So otitis media is a inflammatory disease condition of the middle ear, and then you have to write the types name. So we know that 3 types of otitis media are there. First, it is acute otitis media. Second one is otitis media with effusion, and third one is a chronic otitis media. Then we describe the clinical manifestation of the otitis media, and also you have to write down the nursing care plan of otitis media. So in the nursing care plan, you have to write the nursing diagnosis, then intervention, okay, planning and intervention. Second question, ORMA, define myocardial infarction. So myocardial infarction, we heard so many times, and also I taught you in class. વિડીયો પણ મૂકેલો છે, એ બી તમે જોઈ શકો યુટ્યુબ પર. માયોકાર્ડિયલ ઇન્ફ્રાક્શન, ઇટ ઇઝ અ disease condition of a middle layer of the heart or myocardial muscles. Myocardial layer, it's become a damage or necrosis occur due to the ischemia, lack of oxygen supply to the myocardial tissue. And list the clinical manifestation of myocardial infarction. So clinical manifestation ની અંદર આપણે સાઇન એન્ડ સિમ્ટમ્સ આપણને ખબર છે કે ચેસ્ટ પેઇન જોવા મળે, બ્રીથિંગ ડિફિકલ્ટી, દેન શોલ્ડર, જો એન્ડ નેક પેઇન. Okay, then write down the management of myocardial infarction. So in the management, here the question is the management. So you have to write the full nursing management, medical management and surgical management. So in the medical management, we know that medications, we have to start to give oxygen therapy, MONA, morphine sulfate oxygen therapy, nitroglycerin and aspirin. We have to give non-steroid anti-inflammatory drug, aspirin is. And then surgical management. So in the surgical management, surgery we have performed when medically we can't able to treat this disease condition. So સર્જરીની અંદર આપણે ફર્સ્ટ CABG, that angiography, and then coronary artery bypass grafting or okay, that surgery perform કરીશું આપણે. And question 2. So in the question 2, write down the nursing care plan on a left above knee amputation. So we know that amputation is what? So it is a surgically removal of the any extremity. So here the left knee amputation. So it is a surgical procedure in that fully remove the lower limb due to trauma or any other disease condition. So you have to write down the nursing care plan of that. And second B, it is write about the plaster cast care. So plaster cast, so we know that plaster cast is the material, that white color material આપણે જોયું છે. So it's made of hard covering. So usually plaster of Paris allowed, and it is allowed to broken a bone in the arm or leg to heal, so by holding them in a place. So that's a plaster cast care. So we have to write down the care of the patient who is with a plaster cast. Okay, in all ORMA આપણને ક્વેશ્ચન આપ્યું છે, write down the nursing care plan of patient having lobectomy. So lobectomy means that to removal of a lobe of any organ. So mostly this is refers to the lung mainly. So removal of the lung, total lung, or any parts of the or any lobe of the lung. But also it is by a liver, then brain and thyroid also. Thyroid lobe also we have to remove, that's a lobectomy. Then nursing, describe the role of nurse in prevention of control HIV. So we know that HIV or AIDS, so HIV it is a virus, human immunovirus. So because of that HIV, that AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So here you have to write all the responsibility how to prevent. ઓકે કે કેવી રીતે આપણે પ્રિવેન્ટ કરી શકીએ, હેલ્થ એજ્યુકેશન આપવાનું આપણે પેશન્ટને. Then question 3. So in the question 3, enlist the poisoning and write the management of industrial poisoning. So આમાં તમારા લોકોએ પોઈઝનિંગના ટાઈપ્સ લખવાના. ટાઈપ્સની અંદર સો મેઇનલી વી નો દેટ chemical poisoning is also in that agriculture poisoning or industrial poisoning, and also biological poisonings are there. So in that plant and animal poisoning. તો કોઈ પણ poisoning જ્યારે થઈ ગયું હોય તો કઈ મેડિકેશન આપવાની અને કેવી રીતે ટ્રીટ કરવાનું, that you have to write. List down the diuretics and write the role of nurse while giving the diuretic drug. So this question is from renal disease condition mainly. And also, so diuretic we have give to increase the urine output, and also we have treat this in heart disease condition, mainly hypertension or that MI and all. तो डायरेटिक्स लिस्ट डाउन द डायरेटिक ड्रग. तो डायरेटिक ड्रग જેટલી છે લિસ્ટ ડાઉન કરવાનું. સો વી નો દેટ લૂપ ડાયરેટિક આર ધેર, ઓસ્મોટિક ડાયરેટિક આર ધેર, હાઇડ્રોક્લોરોથિયાઝાઇડ્સ આર ધેર. સો લિસ્ટ આઉટ કરવાની બધી ડ્રગ. એન્ડ ઓલ્સો ડ્રગ આપતી વખતે આપણે નર્સની શું રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી છે કે એ લખવાની આમાં. દેન C is a define medical radical mastectomy and write down the management. So MRM mainly MRMની ડેફિનેશન આપણે લખવાની કે લિસ્ટ ડાઉન મેડિકલ. So it's nothing but removal. MRM means it's a removal of the total or entire breast. Okay. Then enlist the tracheostomy and describe the post-operative tracheostomy care. So indication of tracheostomy. So indication tracheostomy આપણે ક્યારે આપીએ જ્યારે અપર વે ઓબ્સ્ટ્રક્શન હોય, રેસ્પિરેટરી ફેલિયર હોય, ઇન્જુરી થઈ હોય, નેક એન્ડ હેડ સર્જરી. સો દેટ ટાઈમ આપણે ટ્રેક્યોસ્ટોમી કરતા હોઈએ. તો ટ્રેક્યોસ્ટોમી કર્યા પછી એનું પોસ્ટ ઓપરેટિવ મેનેજમેન્ટ. પોસ્ટ ઓપરેટિવ મતલબ કે ટ્રેક્યોસ્ટોમી સર્જરી થઈ ગઈ છે, દેન આફ્ટર ધ કેર ઓફ ધ ટ્રેક્યોસ્ટોમી કેર કે કેવી રીતે આપણે સક્શનિંગ કરીશું, ટ્રેક્યોસ્ટોમી જે છે એને કેવી રીતે ફિક્સ્ડ કરીશું. દેટ્સ ઓલ ધ થિંગ્સ વી હેવ ટુ રાઇટ ડાઉન હિયર. ઓકે. દેન ક્વેશ્ચન 4, શોર્ટ નોટ. So short note in that osteoporosis, first one. So osteoporosis it is a disease condition the bone. So bone જ્યારે breakdown થઈ જાય, so that is okay. Then acne vulgaris it is disease condition of the skin. So acne vulgaris it is inflammation or obstruction of the follicles. Then tetanus, so lack of jaw, and it is also bacterial infection through આપણને જોવા મળે. એન્ડ ઓલ્સો કેટરેક્ટ. સો ઇન ધ કેટરેક્ટ, સો કેટરેક્ટ ઇટ disease condition related to આઈ. સો આઈની અંદર આપણે ભણી ગયા કેટરેક્ટ. ઇટ્સ અ cloudy vision or a double vision or loss of vision occur. So you have to write here any 3 condition. Okay. So next question 5. So in the question 5, first define the following. So in that cardiomyopathy. So cardiomyopathy it is also disease condition from the cardiovascular system. So damage the heart muscles. Then palliative care. So palliative care આપણે it is a specialized medical care when people are living with serious illness. That time we have give a palliative care to that particular patient. Then color blindness, we know that blindness. Then epistaxis, it's a nose bleeding. Then papule and macule. So papule and macule, it's papule means it's elevated palpable lesions, and macule means it's a small patch of skin changes in the color also. Okay. Then next it is a phantom limb. So phantom limb means when we cut limb and when limb is gone but pain is a real, so pain is there, it is a that phantom limb pain. Then tonsillitis, we know that inflammation of the tonsils. Okay, so next question, question 6, it's a fill in the blank. So here the first question, it is a normal WBC count in a human body is, so normal WBC count, it is a 4500 to 11000. Second, intraocular pressure measured by ખાલી જગ્યા ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ. સો ઇન્ટ્રાઓક્યુલર પ્રેશર જે છે IOP પ્રેશર એ આપણે કેવી રીતે મેઝર કરતા હોય, ટોનોમીટર થ્રુ. સો ઇન્ટ્રાઓક્યુલર, ઇટ ઇઝ અ IOP પ્રેશર વિથિન ધી આઈ, ઇટ ઇઝ અ IOP. સો નોર્મલ લેવલ ઓફ ધીસ પ્રેશર વિથિન આઈ, ઇટ ઇઝ અ 10 to 21 mm of Hg IOP. Then third one, rheumatic heart disease is a complication of. So rheumatic heart disease mainly occurs through the rheumatic fever. So it is a complication of rheumatic fever or infection or wall disease also. Enlargement of breast in male, it is called as a gynecomastia. Then peritonsillar abscess, it is called a Kunzi. In question 6 ma D, so alopecia, it is a side effect of chemotherapy. That this all the question, it is a true or false. So first, it is a true, because alopecia means it's a loss of the hair and it is obviously side effect of the chemotherapy drug. Then large red blood cells are seen in megaloblastic anemia. So this one also correct, that megaloblastic anemia ની અંદર red blood cell જે છે એ large નંબરમાં આપણને જોવા મળે. Keratoplasty, it is a modern treatment of the cataract, it is also true. Thalassemia, it is a hereditary disease condition. So yes, it is a hereditary disease condition. Then herpes simplex is spread by droplet infection. So yes, herpes simplex, it is a spread by droplet infection, and also it is spread by a skin to skin contact also. Okay, so in the C, that we have to match the following. So first, mumps. So here A and B, you have to match all the following. So first, mumps. So mumps જે છે, it is a syndromatic case management. Then tetanus. So tetanusના symptoms આપણને જોવા મળે છે lack of locked jaw. Then enteric fever. So enteric fever, it is another name of typhoid fever. So typhoid આપણને ખબર છે શેના કારણે થાય, સાલ્મોનેલા ટાઇફી. તો એન્ટેરિક ફીવર એ છે સાલ્મોનેલા ટાઇફી દ્વારા આપણને જોવા મળે. ડિફ્થેરિયા. સો ડિફ્થેરિયા જે છે એના માટે આપણે કયો ટેસ્ટ કરતા હોઈએ છીએ, સિક ટેસ્ટ. દેન પ્લેગ. સો પ્લેગ, ધીસ ડિસીઝ કન્ડિશન, ઇટ ઇઝ ઓરિજિન ઓફ ધ રેટ ઓરિજિન. સો આ ક્વેશ્ચન પેપર જે છે એ બધાએ લખી અને સોલ્વ કરીને લખી લેવાનું.